Let's quickly cut across and listen in to the Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan on the road ahead.
And there are 9.24% active cases. If we look at the new cases, you will find that the previous highest surge has already been crossed and the trend is going upward. So that is a cause for worry, and that is something that we continuously share with the states and UTs and try to help them in tackling the pandemic in a more effective manner. As we engage with you today, there are 53 central teams which are camping in 53 districts of the country, which are showing surge in cases. And these central teams are helping the district administration as well as the state administration, particularly the health department and the revenue officials, in tackling the pandemic. If we look at daily deaths, they also are showing an increasing trend. However, the previous surge highest point was 1,114. Presently, we have reported 879 deaths. So these are the states of concern, and you will see week on week how average daily cases are going up, how the test per million is behaving in that state, and what is the daily RT-PCR share, and what is the weekly positivity rate. In case of Maharashtra, you will find that the average daily cases week on week have grown significantly and have reached a level of 57,000 plus. The test per million are also growing, but they are not keeping pace with the growth of average daily cases. And if we look at the share of RT-PCR tests, that's progressively coming down. So that is something that we repeatedly request the state to address. The ideal proportion is 70% RT-PCR tests and 30% rapid antigen tests, because we believe that both tests are important. Rapid antigen tests have their value, particularly as a screening test in areas which are densely populated and in those areas which are showing a recent cluster of new cases. So once they are used as a screening test, those who test negative in those rapid antigen tests have to be mandatorily subjected to RT-PCR. The weekly positivity rate, you will see, is very high, 24.66%. And this is when the RT-PCR tests are relatively low. So we have reason to believe that if RT-PCR tests proportion goes up, then the positivity may show a corresponding increase. And this is not something which is specific to Maharashtra. This is something to all such states where RT-PCR percentages are low. So this is Chhattisgarh. You will see that in the mid-February, they were reporting hardly 200 cases. But today, it is 11,504 cases. So that's the average, how it has changed. The average test per million have increased, but have not kept pace with the change in cases. And the average daily RT-PCR share is roughly 28 to 30%. So this is again an instance where a ramping up of RT-PCR abilities or test capacities is needed. We have through ICMR offered to the states that they could, if they so desire, make use of mobile testing labs. These technologies have been perfected, developed within the country, and there are multiple private players who are offering such mobile tests at a very cost-effective rates. RT-PCR machines have also been put on the government e-marketplace, which is GEM, so that procurement could be easier and could take lesser time. Weekly positivity in case of Chhattisgarh is increasing from 1.5%, it has increased to 27.95, almost 28%. So this is another cause for concern. If we look at Uttar Pradesh, you will find that from average 89 cases a day, it has increased to 10,000 cases a day. The average test per million are also increasing, but as I told you is the case with other states, the rate of change of cases and rate of change of test per million have to keep pace with each other, which is not the case here. The average daily RT-PCR tests are around 45 to 44%, so they also need to be ramped up. The weekly positivity is below 5, 4.84, but it is showing a rising trend. अगर हम पंजाब को देखें तो ये 300 के लगभग केस प्रतिदिन रिपोर्ट होते थे फरवरी के मध्य में, अब ये बढ़कर 3000 केसेस हो गए हैं प्रतिदिन. एवरेज टेस्ट पर मिलियन, प्रति 10 लाख की आबादी पर आप कितने टेस्ट करते हैं, वो बढ़े जरूर हैं लेकिन उस अनुपात में नहीं बढ़े हैं जिस अनुपात में प्रतिदिन आने वाले केसेस बढ़ रहे हैं. RT-PCR का जो शेयर है वो जरूर 70% है. वीकली पॉजिटिविटी में एक हल्का डिक्लाइन हम पिछले 2 सप्ताहों में देख रहे हैं, लेकिन डिक्लाइन के बावजूद ये जो पॉजिटिविटी है ये 8% है. आप लोग जानते होंगे कि WHO की जो गाइडलाइंस हैं वो ये कहती हैं कि अगर आप 5% या उससे कम पॉजिटिविटी पर हैं तो चीज़ें नियंत्रित करने में आसानी होती है. अब अगर कर्नाटका की स्थिति को देखें तो यहाँ 404 केस आते थे प्रतिदिन औसतन, अब ये बढ़कर 7700 हो गए हैं. टेस्ट पर मिलियन बढ़े हैं लेकिन उस अनुपात में नहीं. जो अनुपात RT-PCR टेस्ट्स का है, द शेयर ऑफ एवरेज RT-PCR टेस्ट्स इन टोटल टेस्ट्स, दैट इज क्वाइट गुड, इट्स 92%. But the weekly positivity rate is increasing and it is at 6.45. If we look at Gujarat, from 275 cases per week in mid-February, they have increased to 4,500 cases in the recent week. Test per million have increased substantially from 267 to 1574, but they need to be increased further. If we look at the share of RT-PCR, it is still hovering around 48 to 50%, needs to go up. Weekly positivity had declined in mid-March, but is again climbing up. It is less than 5%, but at 4.5, it is showing a upward trend. If we look at Madhya Pradesh, from 267 cases on an average every day, ये बढ़कर 4900 हो गए हैं. इनके एवरेज टेस्ट पर मिलियन 441 हैं, इनको और बढ़ाने की आवश्यकता है. RT-PCR शेयर 73% है, ये संतोष की बात है, लेकिन वीकली पॉजिटिविटी रेट लगातार बढ़ रहा है और 13% पर अभी है. तमिलनाडु में भी लगभग वही स्थिति है. 450 केस औसतन प्रतिदिन आते थे फरवरी के मध्य में, अब ये बढ़कर 5200 हो गए हैं. एवरेज टेस्ट पर मिलियन बढ़े थे लेकिन इधर फिर पिछले 2 सप्ताहों से वो घट रहे हैं, इनको बढ़ाने की ज़रूरत है. RT-PCR का शेयर 97 से 98% है, ये संतोष की बात है, लेकिन वीकली पॉजिटिविटी रेट बढ़ रहा है और अब बढ़कर लगभग 7% से अधिक हो गया है. दिल्ली को अगर हम देखें तो यहाँ औसतन 134 मामले नए आते थे फरवरी के मध्य में, अब ये बढ़कर 8104 हो गए हैं. ये औसत वीकली औसत है. अगर आप किसी एक दिन का देखें, जैसे पिछले 24 घंटे का देखें, तो दिल्ली में 11000 से ज़्यादा केसेस आए. एवरेज टेस्ट पर मिलियन यहाँ बढ़ा है 5256, इसको कुछ और बढ़ाने की आवश्यकता है. RT-PCR का शेयर भी बढ़ा है, 62% हो गया है, इसे बढ़ाकर 70% किया जा सकता है. वीकली पॉजिटिविटी रेट तो बहुत तेज़ी से बढ़ा है, 4 सप्ताहों में ये 0.5% से बढ़कर अब लगभग 8% हो गया है. हरियाणा में भी केसेस की संख्या बढ़ी है, 2900 के लगभग केस प्रतिदिन आते हैं। एवरेज टेस्ट पर मिलियन बढ़े हैं, लेकिन और बढ़ाने की ज़रूरत है। 901 टेस्ट प्रति 10 लाख की आबादी में हरियाणा करता है। RT-PCR का शेयर अच्छा है, ये 90 से 91% इनके कुल टेस्ट RT-PCR होते हैं। वीकली पॉजिटिविटी रेट लगातार बढ़ रहा है, 11.5% है। ये चिंता की बात है, इसलिए टेस्ट्स बढ़ाने की आवश्यकता है। केरल में जो डिक्लाइनिंग ट्रेंड हम देख रहे थे 4 सप्ताहों से, वो पिछले 3 सप्ताह में अब फिर से बढ़ने लगा है। केरल में केसेस 1800 प्रतिदिन हो गए थे 4000 की ऊंचाई से घटकर, लेकिन अब फिर वो 5000 के लगभग प्रतिदिन हो रहे हैं। एवरेज टेस्ट per million per day is declining. This needs to be increased. RT-PCR का शेयर 43% है, इसको भी बढ़ाने की ज़रूरत है।
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.